So now, what's the pricing of our course is basically level one we'll talk about, and then we'll talk about level two and level three also. The basic course is 35,400 rupees, and it includes 18% GST. So basically, it is 30,000 plus GST. Okay. Checkpoint is 16,000 plus GST. So with GST, it comes to 18,880. And checkpoint and course, if you take together, then it will be 38,000 plus GST, which comes to 44,840 rupees. Okay. For level 2, it will be 47,200 rupees. Checkpoint will be 21,240, and checkpoint plus course will be 57,820. So if you see, if you just by the checkpoint, it will be around 20,000 rupees, 18,000 rupees per GST, it will be 9,000 plus GST. So basically, if you take both the course, then checkpoint price becomes half, basically, for all the three levels. That is the format. Okay, so level 3 without checkpoint it is 59,000. Checkpoint alone is 23,600, and with checkpoint it will be 70,800.